Okay, big day for Georgia. It's her wedding day tomorrow. Pre-drinks, Monaco, and we get in there in a creative way, in a very eccentric way. But I think it's necessary. Almost exactly 4 years since I first came here. Kind of weird. As I came here, I was like, this is amazing. This is like a high point of my life. And weirdly enough, I'm like, yeah, it's kind of more chill now. It's weird how everything you aspire to becomes normal and mediocre eventually. You might be asking, hey George, did you go 3 days out of your way to Spain, to a small town, just to see an aqueduct during the week? Yeah, I did. And it was well worth it. Look at this thing. Crazy. Spartan race done. All the mud is caked onto me. The business has almost gone exponential. We have a lot more clients, a lot more businesses sold and bought. I'm giving away money. The agency always in the background, and then eventually I sold that down the road. And then I said, hey, I'm pretty good at selling stuff. Why don't I just sell businesses? You know, you enter a phase in your life, and at the start, you're not getting very much value or fun, right? And then it gets real, like, it's pretty tough, but then things get good. You get better at socializing, you get better at running that business, you get better at that job. You have more friends, blah, 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 and things get really good. But then at some point, if you stay too long in a phase of your life, like the party phase, things get worse for you very quickly. Like when I was in Bali for 7 months, at the start it was hard, I didn't know anybody, I wasn't making very good money. Then after a while things were going good, and then after a while there's like a point of diminishing returns, right? That's when you want to exit.